Okay, so enough theory, let's have a live coding. So here you can see I wanna do a taking care of my cat's pee pee. So every time I go to for travel, I have to leave my cat pee pee for a carrying person. So what I wanna do is leave him or her a website that he or she can follow the instructions to taking care of my pee pee. So at the beginning, I have this slide, like the left side, a pretty ugly HTML file. But then I used what I learned from web development. I used Bootstrap, Node.js, and also JavaScript to build this pretty website. So you can see that if I am the carrying person, when I firstly go into this page, I will enter my name, and then it will show the welcome message to welcome myself. So for example, hello, my name is Dequin, and thank you in advance for taking care of my PP. And also, I have a navbar here. You can see that it's much more prettier than what I had before. So if I click here, it will direct me to the relative section. So here, PP's routine, playtime. And also what I changed, I add some PP's image for the carrying person to see. And also here it is what I changed the most. So I add the medical issue, and also I made a card so that if you hover on that, it will change the size. So it will make the user know that is the important thing they should notice. Yes, and also you can notice that for the footer, I changed the format from the plain HTML and CSS to the Bootstrap. At the beginning, we will need the npm init and also npm install express. Okay, so now we can see that we have all the node modules and all the JSON file we need. And then we will need the JavaScript folder and file. So new folder, JS, and then scripts.js. Okay, so here is our target function. So it will be a window and prompt the user's name. So let's do window unload, and then let the name to be the prompt. And if we have the name, we will just alert the hello message. So here, let's check whether we have it. Okay. This should be this. I don't think it's prompt, so why it happened? Oh, it's because we didn't put that file in here. So let's do JavaScript, and then here. Let's now check whether, yeah, now we have it. Yeah, now we have it. So let's check okay, now this JavaScript worked. Okay, so let's go to the, let's do a navbar actually. So, so now we want to use the Bootstrap, right? So we have to import it first. So So let's do okay. And for the nav bar, let's do this. So for saving time, I'll just copy and paste here because it's pretty standard. Okay, let's try whether it worked. Yeah, it worked. It's right here, right? So the nav bar also changed. And I want to change the footer as well. So, to save time, I already put all my CSS here. So for changing the footer is right here. It's right here. So why this didn't show the craft footer as a bootstrap? It is because CSS, we forgot to put the correct folder. So you have to keep in mind that if you have some changes in any file, like your JS file or your CSS file, but you didn't see the changes in your actual project, you have to consider that whether you have the correct route here. So for example, did you put the correct folder behind that? Did you have the same or different level? So you have to check on that, so you don't have to do the complex debugging. Okay, so now let's try whether it worked. Okay, so now it worked. Yes. So what else? Oh, we need to have the pictures, right? That is kind of easy. So we can just for example here, I'll put the image maybe taking care of BP after that. So let's check whether it shows. Yep, it shows. What else? Oh, the medication card, right? So if we want to have a medication card, we will need a class card and the image, right? So I will do routine. I will do it before food, I think. So PP's routine, and then let's do this. Let's do this. So let me explain because it's kind of complicated. So basically we will need a container, and then we will need the div card, so it can be a card, right? So in the card, I want to have a title and a task, so I have them on here. Also, I will need to adjust the photo size. So I will do that in CSS. So the card, I'll change it here, and I don't want to have a bullet point, so I will put in none here. So let's check whether it worked. Okay, it worked. You can see that it's here. It's kind of big, but I like it. Okay, let's do another image. So let's do a playtime image. So after the test, I'll put an image here. Let's see what it looks. Okay, here. Oh, she's so adorable. Okay, that's basically it. Okay, if you like it, please give me a thumb up. Okay, I think that's it.